In this video, I'm going to show you how I installed these street signs at the end of my driveway.
You can't really see them leaving, but you can certainly see them turning in either direction or driving by. I used deep Unistrut and cut pointed angles on the bottom to make it easier to drive them into the ground. I used 1/4-20 fender washers inside the Unistrut, and then I used 1/4-20 machine bolts with lock washers and nuts to hold it all together. I used a Phillips head screwdriver and a hollow shaft nut driver to tighten it all together. And we're going to do the same thing with this sign as well. I loaded everything up in the truck and took it all down to the street. Don't mind all these broken junk tools in the back of the truck. They're going to get broken down and scrapped in another video. Now that I found the location I want to put it, it's time to hammer it into the ground. Now it's time for the heavy hitter. Now I'm doing the same thing here.